Stop struggling with problem solving. Nobody will tell you what you will hear in these 60 seconds. These 60 seconds can make a big difference because we follow this approach for even multi-million-dollar projects. Let us make problem solving like enjoying your favorite drink at the beach. Let's fix that now. Step 1. Identify the issue. Clearly understand what you're up against. Issue identified is 80% problem solved. Clarity is key. Step 2. Brainstorm solutions. List every idea that comes to mind. Even the seemingly stupid ideas could matter. After all, this is what storming your brain is all about. Step 3. Take action. Choose the best solution and just go for it. Remember, action beats inaction every time. Failing while trying to do something is any day better than vegetating and doing nothing. Problem solving doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these 3 steps and tackle any challenge with confidence. Hit that follow and like if you're ready to solve anything life throws at you. Subscribe for more tips to level up your life.